Vitali Volodymyrovich Klitschko is a Ukrainian politician and former professional boxer. He currently serves as mayor of Kyiv and head of the Kyiv city-state administration, having held both offices since June 2014. Klitschko is a former leader of the Petro Poroshenko bloc and a former member of the Ukrainian parliament. He became actively involved in Ukrainian politics in 2005 and combined this with his professional boxing career until his retirement from the sport in 2013. As a boxer, Klitschko won multiple world heavyweight championships. He held the WBO title from 1999 to 2000, the Ring Magazine title from 2004 to 2005, and the WBC title in 2004 and from 2008 to 2013. A total of 10 successful defenses of the WBC title were made. In 2011, Vitali and his younger brother Vladimir Klitschko entered the Guinness World Records as the pair of brothers with most world heavyweight title fight wins. From 2006 until 2015, Vitali and Vladimir dominated heavyweight boxing, a period typically known as the Klitschko era of the division. Standing at 2.01 meters and usually entering fights at a weight of around 250 pounds, Vitali was renowned for having exceptional ring dominance, as well possessing a formidable 87% knockout percentage at the end of his career. His only two losses came via a shoulder injury and a deep cut above his eye, both of which were recorded as stoppages rather than outright knockouts. In both fights he was leading on the judges' scorecards. Klitschko's last fight was in 2012. But he remained the WBC heavyweight champion at age 42 when he announced his retirement in December 2013. Klitschko is the only heavyweight boxer to have reigned as world champion in 3 different decades. Along with Oliver McCall and Nikolai Valuev, he is also the only world heavyweight champion to have never been knocked down in any fight. Klitschko and George Foreman are the only heavyweight boxers in history to defend a world title after turning 40. Being the first professional boxing world champion to hold a PhD degree. And in reference to his punching power, Klitschko's nickname was Dr. Iron Fist. Klitschko has been named multiple times among the 100 most influential people in Ukraine by Correspondent. He was ranked 60th in 2006, 44th in 2010, 41st in 2011, 16th in 2012, 10th in 2013, 23rd in 2017 and 28th in 2019. Klitschko formally began his political career in 2006 when he placed second in the Kyiv mayoral race. In 2010, he founded the party Ukrainian Democratic Alliance for Reform and was elected into parliament for this party in 2012. He was a leading figure in the 2013-2014 Euromaidan protests, and he announced his possible candidacy for the Ukrainian presidency but later withdrew and endorsed Petro Poroshenko. He was elected mayor of Kyiv on the 25th of May 2014. Klitschko headed the election list of the winner of the 2014 Ukrainian parliamentary election, the Petro Poroshenko bloc, but he gave up his parliamentary seat to stay on as mayor of Kyiv. On the 28th of August 2015, the Udar party merged into Petro Poroshenko bloc. Klitschko thus became the new party leader. Klitschko was re-elected as mayor on the 15th of November 2015. Klitschko revived Udar and left Petro Poroshenko bloc with it. in May 2019 and simultaneously announced that Udar would take part in the 2019 Ukrainian parliamentary election autonomously. Udar, however, failed to win any seats. Originally, as karate and kickboxing were both banned in the Soviet Union, and amateur boxing was one of 5 sanctioned combat sports available to general public, Klitschko took up boxing, being trained by former Soviet boxer, 1974 World Championships bronze medalist Anatoly Klimanov, a head boxing coach of the CSKA Kyiv Sports Club. After the ban was lifted, and Soviets assembled their kickboxing team, Klitschko was its member. He was competing both in amateur boxing, kickboxing, and sport karate simultaneously, showing considerable success in all combat sports which he was involved in. Ex-Summer Spartakiad of Peoples of the USSR. Boxing. Minsk, Belarus SSR. July 1991, Warsaw European Kickboxing Championships. Light Contact Division. Varna, Bulgaria. November 1992. Japanese Mixed Martial Arts Promotion Pancras under WKA Special Rules. Tokyo, Japan. 1994. ISKA World Super Heavyweight Championships. 1994. 16 Presidents Boxing Cup Jakarta, Indonesia. February 1994. 7 Boxing World Cup, Bangkok, Thailand. June 1994. 41st World Military Boxing Championships, Tunis, Tunisia. 1994. 23 Chemistry Cup, Halle, Germany. March 1995. World Championships, Berlin, Germany. May 1995. Military World Games, Arica, Italy. September 1995. Warsaw European Kickboxing Championships, Light Contact Division, Kyiv, Ukraine. November 1995. Amateur boxing record, 195 wins, 15 losses. Kickboxing record, 34 wins 2 losses. He was a kickboxing world champion 6 times. In 1996, he finished his amateur boxing career and turned professional, signing with the German-based Universum Box promotion as an